Alright folks, let's dive into a hilarious showdown, Cebuano versus Canadian Christmas. You know, Christmas in Canada and Cebu are like night and day. Cebuanos treat Christmas like the Olympics, months of prep, maximum effort, and only the strong survive. In Canada, Christmas is peaceful, too peaceful. It's as mellow as a holiday sponsored by chamomile tea. Christmas Eve in Canada. It's December 24th, 6 p.m. Snow is falling softly. The fireplace is crackling. Hot chocolate in hand, everyone whispers, "Merry Christmas, eh?" By 9 p.m., tulog na tanan. Lights out, house silent. Even the Christmas tree's like, shh, people are sleeping. Now Cebuano Christmas Eve. By 9 p.m., the party just starts. There's lechon, spaghetti, lumpia, fruit salad, 12 desserts, and Tita arrives with more humba. Then come the fireworks, indoor fireworks. Tito boys lighting a fountain in the living room saying, "Para mas thrilling." Babies crying, dogs barking, and Lola, she's like a war vet. Normal Rani, sa una mas grabe. Midnight in Canada, people still sleeping dreaming of sugar plums. Meanwhile in Cebu, it's full-on family band mode. Karaoke battles, biscuit tin drum sets, and random cousin DJing with a Shopee Bluetooth speaker. At 3 a.m., your Tito, who swore off drinking, is drunk, giving a TED Talk MGA beta, importante ang edukasyon. Pero mas importante ang pag-inom ug tubig para dili madehydrate. 6 a.m. in Canada, folks waking up stretching drinking coffee, Cebuanos, still awake, aunties still belting My Heart Will Go On, and the lechon, wana, gikaon na. I love Canada, but their Christmas felt like a funeral. Where's the chaos, the screaming, the Tito with Red Horse giving life advice? No matter where I am, Cebuano Christmas is the best. Because you don't just feel Christmas, you survive it.